Just pushed. Fucking thing. Oh, gas. Yeah, I know. It's been a while, alright? Huh. Actually, I think the last stick car I drove was a 9.5.
Oh.
Fucking wagon.
I think I say the truck, but
no, because we drove. I think, did I drive it up when we came to get the tools? I think
you might have.
Gas. I'm so used to mine because the pedals are so sensitive. I just went straight into fifth, didn't I?
Nope, that's third.
That's third?
Yeah.
This thing's so weird, dude.
How stiff's the steering?
Compared to my car, this is nuts. How do you drive?
I know, I drove my mom's 9.3 and I'm like, oh my god.
Dude, everything in this car is like 10 times stiffer than mine.
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting 19.4 miles per gallon.
Like, now that I've driven this, everything different from this car compared to mine is a difference between like night and day. Gas. Dude, the gas, like I said, everything's so much more stiff in this thing.
Oh yeah. She's no like power steering.
You can hear the turbo. We're just pushing vacuum pressure right now.
Yeah.
Dude, that's nuts.
Yeah. Blow off valve and intake. Cold air intake.
This thing is nuts. Holy cock. This thing is just rowdy.
Yeah, if you give it a little too much beans.
This is insane, dude. This is a whole nother animal right here. Difference between my car and this car. I'm gonna keep
automatic
saying
to here. Yeah, she's that's why I said it's a handful. I've gotten kind of tired of driving it every day.
You never really get a chance to film your own car, do you? Jesus, how do you drive this thing so
95.
fast? How do you like? How do you?
95.
I mean, it did accelerate like a bat out of hell, but for some reason it looks a lot faster when it's dancing away from you.
And it's like,
oh yeah, trust me, I know.
Foppy. Betty. Alright, got two brand new bushings from SAAB. In my 900. What? This literally just pops out from the sides. This connector. Squeeze here. Gonna need two hands. General. Couldn't get this thing out. So you pull the ashtray out, and there's a bolt in there. Bolt in there. I'm not sure if I have to take this out. It's been a really long time since I've had to pull a shifter out of a 900, 9.3. So you take that one bolt out, and then there's two 10s, and then it starts to get a little bit more, little looser, but there's some more I gotta take out. So you pop this cover off, you pull this little cover off, you maybe take this one and this one out, because this back piece is separate from this front piece that's going to come out, and then I think we're pretty close. So I pulled that off.
I've been so beat from work and shit.
Well, if you see that, but there's two.
Oh my god.
Like clips. you pull it down and then over this and finagle it. And then don't forget that the cigarette lighter is plugged in the back. So I put it in fourth, and then I loosened.
To break. I'll make mistakes like they were handed on a plate.
That ball right there.
I try to leave, sometimes I'm standing in the way. I'm on the edge of
and then put it in third and it pulled it out.
what they say.
One of those squeeze connectors. So I had to put a screwdriver in here to pry it off. And then a plastic tab thing that, oh my god, it's such a pain in the ass. So now it's ready to come out. So, if you look at Genuine SAAB, they tell you to undo this bolt. I just take the whole shaft out, giggity, and take this out. But the short shifter they give you, if you get a core, you have to take it all apart. And I don't think I've seen a video on them talk about how to take it out. So there's a T30, and then this little spring tab pops out. And then this plastic tab, you have to push in on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. This is hooked under there. You press that in and that comes out. So now this whole, okay, so before the camera died, you pretty much, this doohickey is hooked under here. So you push in on it and that pops out. And then you could pull this out, and then this won't come out because it's a bitch. Okay, you do have to, there's a T30 here, and then there's a T30 in here. And you remove those two. After you remove those two, now the whole assembly should come out. There's the whole little doohickey. And I believe that is all we will need to put back straight into the new housing. Take this out now.
Can't believe that shifting linkage is made out of like zinc or brass. Look at it.
Yeah, which way did this? It just came off like this, right?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
It's only gonna go in one way.
That's
hook up one way.
You could get the bushings from SAAB, but you can't get the the bearing or whatever you want to call it, the rod inside of that. So, well, here it is. Now to just tighten it all up, put it back together. What I didn't think about in the short shifter is I checked their website, and this whole piece here, they only left this and this in there. I couldn't even see this. They don't show you very much. So this is how I'm putting it in. Yeah, so this shifter feels hell of better. Always good to take pictures of stuff. More pictures the better.